Hello friends, I am Khan JS Shoaib, lecturer in English, Media Junior College, Bid. Today I have uploaded my first video, that is board's activity sheet, format of board activity sheet. So we are going to see it in detail. Actually, there are 4 sections in this new activity sheet. In 11th standard also there were 4 sections. In 12th also there are 4 sections. Okay. So, name of the sections are prose, poetry, writing skill and novel is there. So, we will see in detail how many marks are there for prose, poetry, writing and novel. For prose section, there are 34 marks. As you can see on the board that marks with options are also of 34 marks. Poetry is of 14 marks. Writing skill will be of 16 marks and novel questions based on the novel will be asked for 16 marks. In all, activity sheet is of 80 marks and there will be oral exam for 20 marks. What will be the pattern of oral exam? How the oral exam will be conducted? We will see in the next lecture. Okay. Now, see in question number 1, as we have studied that section first is prose. In question number 1, there will be reading for comprehension, language study, summary and mind mapping, which will be of 16 marks. Question number 1A, you will have to read the extract and you will have to complete the activities given after that extract. That extract will be of 275 to 300 words. Okay. Now, activity first question, which will be of 2 marks on global understanding. Activity second activity, complex factual question, that will be of 2 marks. Inference, interpretation, analysis will be of 2 marks. Personal response, 2 marks, means you will not find the answer in the extract. You will have to write on your own, and this is very important. When you write personal response type question, the examiner, he finds the opinion that how is your writing skill, means how is your English. So a personal response type question is very important. A5 will be of language study and A6 vocabulary. Okay. Now, question number 1B, language study. In language study, there will be 2 or 3 grammatical items which will be non-textual grammar. It will be of 4 marks. In B1, do as directed or transformation of sentences. And in B2, a sentence will be given to you. You will have to spot the error, which will be of 1 mark. Okay. Question number 2. Question number 2A. Again, extract will be given to you, and this extract will be unseen extract, and it will be of 18 marks. In question number 1, in question number 1A, the extract was seen, and in question number 2A, the extract will be unseen. Remember, the questions are same. A1, global understanding, 2 marks. A2, complex factual. A3, inference, interpretation or analysis for 2 marks. Again, in unseen passage, in unseen extract, there will be personal response type question, language study for 2 marks and A6 vocabulary for 2 marks. Now, B, question number 2B, language study. Again, non-textual grammar. Sorry, in question number 2B, there is no grammar, there will be summary writing. You will have to write the summary of the given extract and you will have to write a suitable title. Remember one thing, there will be 1 mark for the title and 2 marks for the content which you have written with the help of given points. In question number 2C is of mind mapping. Okay, you will have to develop a mind mapping frame design using your own ideas, thoughts and concept. Section 2, poetry section, poetry and appreciation. In question number 3, an extract or complete poem will be given to you. It will be of 10 marks. Okay, either it will be of 10 to 15, it may be 10 to 15 lines. Activity first, global understanding. Activity 2, inference, interpretation, analysis, which will be for 2 marks. Again, there will be A3 activity 3, personal response type question will be asked. 1 question on poetic device and creativity. Means in creativity, you will have to compose 2 or 4 lines of your own. You will get 2 marks. In question number 3B, there is appreciation. In appreciation, an extract will be given to you. After reading the extract, you will have to, the extract will be of 10 to 15 lines from any other poem, which is not asked in question number 3A. And you have to write the appreciation of that poem. Now, come to section 3, that is writing skill. In writing skill, there are you will have to complete the activity as per the instructions given below, which will be of 16 marks. First, A, drafting virtual message, statement of purpose or group discussion. B, email, which we have studied in standard 11th, report writing, and interview questions will be, you will have to frame interview questions. And C, you will have to write a speech or comparing or expansion of ideas. In D, question number 4D, there will be film review or any other review, blog or appeal. Now, come to section number 4, literary genre, novel. Novel will be of 6, this section will be of 16 marks. Now, question number 5A, you will have to complete the activity given below as per the instruction. First one, activities on history of English novel, which will be of 2 marks. Second, activity on history of English novel, which will be of 2 marks. In this way, we have finished question number 5A. Okay, now come to question number 5B. You will have to answer in about 50 words to the question given below, which will be of 4 marks. What will be there in question now in the below questions? Questions will be framed on plot, structure, theme, setting, language or character. What type of question will be asked? First, describe, explain, compare, contrast, name or discuss, which is based on the novel. It will be of 2 marks. Second, illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find or identify. It will be of 2 marks. Now, come to C, question number 5C. You will have to write answer in 50 words. 2 questions will be asked. First one, you will have to describe, explain, compare, contrast, name or discuss. It will be of 2 marks. Second, you will have to illustrate, interpret, narrate, justify, find and identify. It will be of 2 marks. Now, come to D. Again, in 50 words, you will have to write the answer of the question given below. The question will be the same as in question B and C. Okay, in this way, we have finished our lecture.